Many people ask me what is an adult snoring appliance and how does it work. Basically, the appliance will have an upper and lower component, very easy to wear. When you fall asleep, your lower jaw, rather than falling back, is held forward. And as it's held forward, it also keeps your tongue away from the back of your throat. You can see from this x-ray how this patient has limited airway in this area, and when you look in the mouth, you'll see the tongue, or the back of the tongue, is blocking the airway. So that's why we as orthodontists use these oral appliances that help snoring and also help improve sleep apnea.